I hope you guys are all enjoying your Sunday. This time we're going to be discussing something related to the wider markets. And I want to disclose that before we dive in. Is it related to AMC directly? No. Does it count in the wide scheme of things? In my opinion, yes. Now, I want to explain all of this as we go on. I want to put the spin on it that will hopefully allow you guys to understand where I am coming from. But first, let's discuss what we are actually speaking about. Now, it's coming from Twitter. The user who you will have heard of over the past 2 years, Tofik Fazula, I believe it is, something like that. Anyway, he posted this on the 2nd of July, so yesterday, about 24 hours ago from this exact time. He posts, AMC, a major mortgage lender, First Guarantee Mortgage Corp, declared bankruptcy. One by one, the trickle starts, and the floodgates will open soon. Now, in the comments, a lot of people were saying things like this. Here's just one for an example. This got you unfollowed. In no way does this have anything to do with AMC, and I am dumber for reading this comment. Now, I think this is missing something very, very key. Does it have anything directly to do with AMC? Absolutely not. So there is some truth to what this user says. But is it related in a roundabout way? In my opinion, yes, and I will explain why. Whilst mortgages and this mortgage lender has nothing directly to do with AMC, think about how the markets are moving. Obviously, that's more in the housing market, realistically, but still in the financial markets in a way. And the fact that this is happening, we're seeing these funds, these lenders, whatever, they are running out of finances. And that's really how it starts. People don't understand. It's the whole domino effect, as we have heard so much. I think Tofik is absolutely right with what he discusses about how the floodgates are likely to open soon. They may not be a short on AMC. But is that an indication more of what's going on in the wider market? Yes, it really is, in my opinion. I think that's why this is still a bullish statement. I think the data is looking very good when it comes to the chances of other hedge funds, again specifically ones which are short on AMC, seeing issues, seeing margin calls, seeing liquidations, seeing bankruptcy, all of these sorts of things. I think it is looking better and better. So I think as we see more and more of these less significant, less important, less related to AMC funds, brokers, lenders, whatever, having issues like this, we're going to be seeing them adding up and adding up. And again, it isn't going to be the case that the biggest one is necessarily the first to get taken down. It's not going to be necessarily the case that the one who is most involved in the crime is likely to get taken down first. It could be just a small one like this, which doesn't really play into our intention very significantly. But it does appear, in my opinion, to be the start of things. So I want to hear what you have to say on that down below in the comment section, of course. If you enjoyed this video, do share it, because it's important, of course, that we continue to spread the message out there. Thank you all for watching this video. We'll be back with more stuff later on for you guys. So I'll see you all then, guys. Goodbye for now.